Cold Weather is a fresh and invigorating fragrance that opens with a crisp blend of mint, sea water, green notes, lavender, coriander, and rosemary, providing an energizing and refreshing start. The middle features floral notes of geranium, neroli, and jasmine, balanced by the creamy smoothness of sandalwood, adding warmth and depth. The base brings a woody, earthy finish with musk, oak moss, cedarwood, umber, and a touch of tobacco, creating a lasting masculine and comforting scent perfect for spring and summer days. This fragrance embodies a clean and revitalizing yet cozy aura, ideal for warmer weather. Performance elements for the cold weather fragrance. Longevity. When applied to clothing, it can last up to 10 to 12 hours or even more. It has a steady evolution from the fresh top notes through the heart to the warm base notes. Projection. Initial projection. Strong projection during the first hour, especially due to the fresh mint, sea water, and green notes. It creates a noticeable aura around the wearer but remains smooth. After 2 to 3 hours. Moderate projection, becoming more intimate after a few hours as the heart and base notes settle in. Sillage. Moderate sillage. The fragrance leaves a light but noticeable trail, particularly in the first few hours. It is not overwhelming, making it suitable for environments where you want to be noticed without overpowering others. Season. Best suited for spring and summer due to its light, aquatic, and fresh character. It can also be worn during warmer days in fall. Occasion. Versatile for day and night wear, making it ideal for office use, casual outings, and even semi-formal events. Type. Aromatic aquatic. The fragrance has a classic fresh aquatic character with a combination of green herbal and aromatic notes like lavender, rosemary, and mint, balanced by deeper woody and earthy base notes. Mood. Invigorating and confidence. Ideal for those seeking a scent that embodies freshness and masculinity with an undertone of elegance and timeless appeal. Style. Cold Weather embodies a style that is fresh, classic, and effortlessly cool. Its aquatic and aromatic notes convey a sense of vitality and rejuvenation, making it ideal for the modern man who appreciates a laid-back yet refined aesthetic. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar or to create eau de parfum. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.